Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. The all-new Altros. Now with more exciting features.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, Kadai ka College Babatam na banta ka Jingpuli Nursing, but Paramedical Course, Hospital Training, Pinyo Scholarship but 6% ka kam, Haki Hospital Bahedo ha India but Shabari. Na banta ka Jingpuli, ka Jingsiyo ka Baret, but Pila Banlet Puli, Daka Education Loan, Pila Urban Chukol hau number, Kandai Nyo, Sao Sao, San Rio Pranon, Lani, Kandai Pran Rio Laisan, Pan Riway Kandai Pran.
Watla ka All India Trinamool Congress kampat penbena yaki kertong jangka ki Pyniakhun hak election MP Lok Sabha 2008 na Shillong Batura parliamentary seat. Henry President jangka TMC uba Charles Pingrub ula Aiksai bana Shillong ka TMC ka don jingmut ban Pyniakhun da uba George Lyngdoh u MLA Barim ka Umroy kat ba Natura parliamentary seat ban uba Charles ula ong ba ka party kan I hak jing start jang u Dr. Mukul Sangma.
Well, we have had a first round of discussions, and since today is now we'll know the session, the timings, and the duration and all. Then we start putting our motions and resolutions accordingly. Well, he's free to go to any political party as he desires, because at the moment there is no constitutional barrier that can stop him from doing so. Therefore, if he feels that he wants to go to join the NPP, then it is his prerogative. They will have to fight the parliamentary seat. So if they are looking at Pyniakhun to be the candidate, so it's, I find there's nothing wrong in that. But where our party is concerned, I have yet to discuss with the High Command, General Secretary in charge, Dr. Pyniakhun. In fact, I spoke to him this morning, asking him for a meeting, and perhaps he will come or I'll go to Calcutta and finalize the modalities of how we go about it.
But TMC will be contesting this parliamentary election, right?
Yes.
Both the seats?
Yes, both seats.
Okay.
So have you decided on the candidates, sir?
No, only after we get the go-ahead from the party that they have to agree on certain issues, then we shall go. Because we already have candidates, so no issue. Well, from the Shillong region, and that's my personal, but according depends on the entire party hierarchy. I feel George Lyngdoh will be a very good candidate. And from the Garwals, I'll leave it to the wisdom of the Honourable Parliamentary Party Leader, Dr. Mukul Sangma, to take the final call.